Let's see how the system works in real life. A person who notices a fire can use the application, press the alarm button, and quickly notify everyone of the start of the fire. Each employee will receive a sound signal of a fire on their phone. Sirens installed in the institution will sound. The message about the beginning of the fire will be sent to the fire department of the city. Let's see. Продається на одну секунду.